Hello from sunny Central Florida. Today is February 7th, 2026, and I'm just now doing my post hard freeze video because I've been very depressed this past 2 weeks. Stressed, depressed, anxiety. I've had it all because of this weather. And I finally just finished taking down all the blankets and sheets that I put up that did absolutely nothing. So I thought I'd do a walkthrough for anybody that cares to watch and for my own records of what very little things I have left from this rare occurrence. So let's just start from one end. I'm going to take you all the way around and just let you look at everything that's dead. Some pineapples survived just fine. These did, and I think it's because I have not weeded in here in a while, and I think all the grass protected them, and I think from now on in the winter I'm gonna let the grass grow. My moringa, I don't know if it's dead or not. Moringas are pretty tough, so I just don't know. I'm going to leave it alone. I'll clean that up there a little bit, but I will leave it alone until spring. If nothing shows by late spring, then it's dead. And if you look over there, my rosemary is unaffected, completely unaffected. And this is my prize pepper, and I had it heavily covered and wrapped in your Christmas lights, and I did manage to save it. It did take a little bit of damage, probably where the sheets or blankets were touching it. As you can see, I had these stakes up to try to prevent it from being touched, but it wasn't quite. But I have, oh, let me get in here, some beautiful peppers still on this. I took the bigger ones off before the freeze. This is my one that I feed it pineapple skin, and it absolutely loves it. And yes, there is a dragon fruit in there, and it has survived. And then if we come around, now this one I'm unsure, my dragon fruit. Only time's gonna tell. I can see here and feel it. This piece here anyways is dead, I believe. Overall, the base and all looks very healthy. I had this covered. It had a solar light go on for a while, and then I also had Christmas lights, and I kept it covered. As you can see, I run them on these, my husband picks these up from the side of the road, these metal bed frames. I have one here that I'm going to install over here for my dragon fruit, so it's going to run along here. And they're completely free. I like them. I can keep them at at a great height to where I can manage them, and I just let them run down. Yeah, so anyways, as you can see, I could only cover this up so much, but it seemed this half was not covered, was completely exposed, and I'm starting to see the damage to it now. It should not be white, so yeah, a lot of this is going to be cut back, but I do believe it survived. My lime here, it's completely dead up top. Only time will tell. I think you can see down here it's got some good. I think it'll be okay. I may have to just cut it back. My bananas are decimated, I'm sure, with everybody's. I even had 2 racks going. Yep, so, oh, they're horrible. They're gone. I had 2 racks. I had another one that just came out there. All my papayas are gone. I don't think any will survive. It'll be tricky on the pineapples. Only time will tell. Some of them look really bad. Some of them look, I don't know. But, I'm sad about my bananas. Even the pups. I even had little pups. I don't know if you can see. Right there was a pup, and it's done. I had a lot of pups coming up. They're gone. And that was just a jasmine, a type of jasmine. More pineapples. Bananas. Surprisingly, this is a lemon tree. This one here is a lemon. And I have 2 others over there. They're completely unaffected. And I grew these from seed like 6 years ago from a grocery store lemon. Some of these pineapples out front, I kind of buried them. And I think it might have helped. But this lemon tree is completely unaffected. Everything else around it is dead. All the bananas is dead. The papayas, gone. Cranberry hibiscus, gone. Now this is a Florida native flower. It's completely fine. Peace lilies, completely decimated. Papayas, waste. I had dozens and dozens of papayas. In the front, in the backyard, my chickens love papaya. I grow it to feed the chickens. We love it in our smoothies. So this is a big loss. I had a lot of food. All of them gone. So let's go over here to my mini food forest, which doesn't look like a forest at all anymore. It's completely shot out. There's only a couple things. Like I said, one back there, the lemon tree that I started from seed, is beautiful. And this is another one. This one here, I did almost lose it once and I had to cut it back. And it's beautiful. It looks a little yellow or whitish, but yellowish white. Anyway, I think it's fine. Pineapples, they took a big hit. Even with the dirt, maybe the dirt saved them. I don't know. Bananas, gone. I'm hoping, even the pups, even the little pups, I just hope they come back. Moringa, I don't know. Papaya's gone. And a lot of the papayas, I've been going around and feeling them. And this one feels hard. It's possible. Some of them, you can just squish it. So those I know are completely dead. The hard ones I'll leave and see if they pop back. This is just a flower. I don't remember the name. And it should come back from the ground. This should come back. I forget the name of that. It's a flower, a blue flower. Now this olive, unaffected. It's absolutely beautiful and looks so happy. Look at it. I don't even know if it's black or green olive. It's a fairly new, I've only had it going on 2 years. Has not produced anything yet. I bought it at the flea market and it's happy. And this is a mango I started from seed. I had the bottom covered to protect the base. That's why the bottom is green and the top is not. So it might be all right. I might, in the spring, just chop it. And more papayas. All the papayas are gone and they all had fruit. Every single papaya had fruit. Now this is a pomegranate. This also I grew from seed from the grocery store. I had it wrapped halfway. I think it's okay. I think it'll be okay. It'll need a trim, but I think it'll be okay. This is my newest one. I just got this near the end of summer last year. This is a guava, a Chinese guava. I've never even had guava, so I don't know. I also had it wrapped with lights and wrapped with a blanket. And it still seems pretty solid, so I think it'll come back. I hope so. This here was my prize lemon tree. I'm so sad on this one. I mean lime, I'm sorry. This was lime. It was so beautiful and green and lush. And it would have given me so many limes this year. And look at it. I even extra wrapped it with Christmas lights. And I had a blanket around the base and in the middle. And it just didn't. I don't know. So I don't know. Like I said, this is a new plant. I just put this here. about midsummer last year. So I do see some green down there. I can smell it. Let's pray. This was just another flower. It should be fine in the ground and should come back up. This is a mulberry, and it's one of the small mulberries, so I will not miss it if it does not come back. And I was starting new bananas here. It's gone. Another papaya gone. Bird of paradise. I doubt that's dead. It just needs a cleanup. Another big papaya, and you can see it's starting to fall over, so it's gone because it's got all the papayas up there. And my cherry tree, oh no. This one produced so many cherries last year, and another food that the chickens love. They love these cherries. This is the Barbados cherry tree. It's not looking completely dead, but it's, to me, I've had it for 3-4 years. It's been very happy. I think it just needs a heavy trim, and I think it will be okay. I do not think it's dead. I think it's just very unhappy. And as you can see, I had it heavily wrapped. I also had a blanket wrapped around the base. So I do think it'll be okay. You can see. And a lot of these people grow into bushes. It's more of a bush, actually, and I've been keeping it as a tree. It's beautiful, and I let it grow up there because I let the birds have the cherries up there. Yes, and papayas. There's all my papayas. All papayas are gone. And that's what's left. There's the other lemon tree. Completely unaffected. I've never gotten lemons from it. Maybe one day. This here seems unaffected, and I don't know what it is. No clue. I can't remember. I bought it for the food forest, and I see there's actually, it's looking like it's doing something. Let me see if I can get a, I see like buds on it. I don't know what this is. If anybody recognizes this, please let me know. I lost the tag. Yeah, it looks like it's getting some buds up there, so it's getting ready to do something. And it looks like it was unaffected by the cold. Another moringa. I did trim them just before the freeze. I don't know. I'm not worried about moringas. They're fast growing. I have tons of seeds I have saved from them. And I have been slowly building up in here in the bed, so if it looks a little messy, it's just in the winter I like to fill it up with all the yard debris just before winter to help keep the beds warmer, and to get them fed for spring. And then my blackberry, I don't know, my blackberries have been dying out. They did not produce at all last year. I don't know why. So those may be coming out. And that's it. There's nothing. The olive tree, the pomegranate, the lemon, the cherry tree, and whatever this is what survived. So, these were the branches from the moringa I cut just before the freeze. And listen, people, if you have a chipper, or if you can get a little chipper, moringa tree, it's great to grow even if you just want to grow your own free mulch. These are so easy to chip in the chipper. Yes, so the moringa has so many qualities. I let them grow long, then I harvest the leaves, and I dry them out, make them into a powder for our smoothies, sprinkle it in salads, whatever. And then I use the branches for my chipper to create mulch to go back into the garden. And my husband has a small handyman business, and we get called upon a lot to do some yard cleanup. So like all this came from a job, a yard cleanup job, and I bring it all here and it goes in here. So come spring I will get some dirt on top of there, and I plan to grow all the way down this bed a year's supply of the Puerto Rican black beans. I just can't wait. I can't wait. And I gotta get new papayas out. I will not get any bananas this year, unfortunately. Papayas, I could possibly get some by the end of the year. Thankfully, I have a bunch frozen for the chickens, because they're also great snacks for the chickens in the summer when it's really hot. So I have to get these going for my girls. But anyways, so thanks for watching. If you're still here, there's lots of stuff dead. Thankfully, my big palm there looks good. This is, I always forget the name. It's actually two things in here I've created. I can't think. Anyways, no big deal. It's just a tree and a flower in there. So yeah, and I know everybody in Florida suffered some kind of loss. But don't give up. You know, it's going to happen from time to time. I did learn a few new things. These banana trees, this right here is due north. These banana trees got the brunt of all the wind. So I have them in the wrong location. And I am thinking of all bananas, I'm either going to grow, I have this flower that grows really tall. They also have like large sunflowers. I'm either going to move the bananas up and get a living fence growing, or I'm going to start moving my bananas into the backyard on the side of the house, on the south side of the house, because I did a test. In that corner is a dead banana tree too. I planted it 2 years ago, complete shade, as you can see, maybe a little dappled sun in the morning. And it took 2 years to produce a rack of bananas, and it did, and it was the best rack of bananas these dwarf Cavendish have ever produced. So, I don't know, you know, direct sun is what they like, but it seemed like the one that didn't get direct sun produced the best bananas. I don't know. And I left it alone too, didn't do anything to it. We'll see. So, yeah, I have a lot of changes coming up. I'm going to put more hardy stuff that can tolerate wind and that's tall over there to better protect this garden for next year. So yes, don't give up. Learn from it. It probably won't happen again for quite a while, these hard freezes, but we do have hurricanes. It wasn't too long ago. This garden was decimated by the hurricane. It all grew back. Yeah, you just got to learn from it. And that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully you guys will follow along. I'll make updates as I go. We got new neighbors. So with that, grow something. Yes, go grow something and then eat it. Be outside with nature. It's good and healthy for you. See ya.